Okay, it has been a little bit since I have had a chance to do a video, but I have gotten my hair back to being healthy again and just have all of my split ends cut off, and I have good hair again. And I wanted to update you on what I've been using, because I was using something for a while and I did a video about it and I'm no longer using it. I am not reaching for these guys anymore. They have a water-soluble silicone in it, which isn't horrible because it rinses out, but I decided I'm not going to use any, like, I was already not doing parabens, sulfates, and all of those things. But in your hair washing and conditioning, I quit using silicones, because even water-soluble silicones, those are fine in styling products as long as they're water-soluble. But in your shampoo and conditioner, I didn't want them in there because they coat your hair and then they keep the moisture from coming in. And in the things that are the base for everything else you do, shampoo and conditioner, I didn't want any kind of a blockage in there. In styling products, it's not as a big deal for me because I'm gonna wash those out, and those are going on after I put in hair oils and all of those things, so it didn't matter. But for the base, for what you're doing and moisturizing your hair, I didn't want that to be. So I have not been using those for several months. What I have been using are, which I was using before, the Don't Despair Repair Briogeo. No silicones, no parabens, no sulfates, no anything bad for your hair. It's actually a conditioning mask, but I just use it like conditioner. I don't wash my hair that often. I wash it like every 4 or 5 days with the help of dry shampoo, which I highly recommend. And then I use this guy for my shampoo, which is the Briogeo Scalp Revival. It's like coconut oil, charcoal. It's really good at getting rid of any buildup you have, anything like that on your scalp. So these two I have used a lot. I also have recently tried the Bondi Boost, which I have to say, they are great. Again, no silicones, parabens, or sulfates, and no like water-soluble silicones, anything. So everything you're putting in your hair is really good stuff. And I have to say, my hair is so soft after I use it, and it just feels healthy when you use these. So I have washed my hair 3 times now with this, and I have to say I'm very impressed. So this is definitely in the routine, as well as the Briogeo, the mask, and the scalp cleaner, basically. That's a shampoo. So I wanted to update you that I'm working those. Now, I also have been using these Virtue products, which I really think was a big part of my hair healing and getting better. This is Virtue Healing Oil, which you've probably seen these on Instagram or Facebook in your ads that pop up, like Jennifer Garner is in a lot of the commercials. So I was like, you know what, let me try this. So I have to say, they have a proprietary alpha keratin bond in them, and it's a protein basically that really helps your hair. So after I wash my hair, I always take some of this, and you're supposed to shake it because it activates all the proteins before you do. And then I just put a few drops in my hand and I run it through my hair. So after every shampoo, condition, I put this in when my hair is wet, and I actually use a bit more than that, especially on the ends. Lighter through here and then heavier through the ends. I also, when styling, like at the end of styling, use the Virtue Split End Mender. I was using this stuff a lot before I got my last haircut to get rid of the last of the split ends. But this stuff is it's a great split end mender, and there's not stuff in here that's going to damage your hair or seal it off to where the nutrients can't get into it. There is a water soluble silicone in here, but you've already moisturized your hair with everything else. So when you're sealing it in, you're sealing in that moisturizer. And then when you wash your hair again, it's all coming out. So you're not damaging your hair. And I have to say, when I had bad split ends, this was really helpful. I still use it, especially if you need to like smooth anything. And also, I don't want to lie to you that this is all of my hair, although I did pay for it. But I have hair extensions in. But this is all my hair. They are under here. My hair has grown. It's not this long, but I'll show you my hair. So make sure this is my hair. There we go. Okay, so this is my hair, and you can see like it's in so much better shape. There's bounce to it. There's no split ends. I mean, I'm just so grateful to have my hair back again because it was in bad shape for a while. So, okay, and then this is the hair extension. So they're about 3 inches, probably longer than my hair. So that's my hair. That's the extension. I just added them in for some fullness for my birthday, but I didn't want you to think I was like advertising this is all my hair, because it's not, but that is my hair that I just showed you. And I also tried to take a video of it before I had the extensions put in, but my they were corrupted, so I actually can't show you that. But you can tell, like, this is all my hair. You can see it's all like, it's so much better shape. And then that little bit's the back part. Anyway, I just had to update you because these products are all really good things, and they don't do any damage to your hair, and they have really repaired my hair. So I wanted to share that with you. I also wanted to share a couple styling products that I've been using because I have I have a lot of fine hair, and it's very flat. Like, it does not have volume at all, and I have a giant head, so I try to get volume in my hair to offset the giant head. So I have tried several of the Virtue products. This is the volumizing mousse, and I like a lot of them. The ones I have stuck with are the 3 that I just showed you. They don't have anything damaging, and they do what they say they're going to do, especially for someone who has difficultly flat hair. They do have a conditioner that makes your hair feel amazing after you use it, but it has a water-soluble silicone in it. And even though it's not bad for your hair, I have stopped, again, like doing any silicones in shampoo or conditioner. So those are the ones I've stuck with. I also just wanted to share with you, I have tried the Briogeo volumizer, which is pretty good. I actually used it with the conditioner, or sorry, with the Virtue Mousse today, and it seems really good. Again, no sulfates, no parabens. And then I always have a Briogeo, and then there's another brand called Love Beauty Planet for dry shampoo that I put in for when you need to extend your hair a bit before having another wash, because I've been trying not to wash it to keep it healthy and keep all the natural oils in without looking terrible. Anyway, so I just wanted to update you on the products I have found that are worth the money, that are, you know, not damaging to your hair at all, that have really made a difference. Like, I have my good hair back, and I just wanted to share how I got my hair back. I also wanted to say that with Virtue, they're not inexpensive, but if you keep an eye out on your Instagram ads, or if you Google, you can usually find a 20% off coupon. So, and if you place an order with them, they usually send you a 20% off coupon. So you can get a discount that way. And the Bondi Boost, I had a coupon as well. I think it was 10% off. But I always try to Google a coupon because I can't help myself before I buy products. But I know that these products are a slight bit pricey, but they are well worth it and have made a huge difference. I'm so grateful to have my hair back. Anyway, I hope that helps.